Hey friends, Dr. Jason Crockett here with your daily health solution, and we're just going to take some time and unpack some simple steps to support your thyroid and those hormones and just the healing processes that need to occur. And today I want to talk about something that's just overlooked so often, but it's super powerful. It's your evening routine. You know, these routines impact your thyroid and how your thyroid can repair. And I just want to ask you something like, how do you wind down at night? Because your thyroid, it doesn't heal when you have a life of chaos. It heals with rhythm. It heals when you're in a state of rest. It heals when you're allowing your body to be in a state of recovery. So my first advice is just ditch all the late night screen time. Get rid of the blue light exposure. So the phones, the TVs, the tablets, these are emitting blue light that suppresses melatonin. And melatonin isn't just about sleep. It's a super powerful antioxidant that protects your thyroid gland. So try shutting down these screens at least 60 minutes before bedtime. All right. Number 2, set a consistent bedtime. Your thyroid loves routine. When your sleep-wake cycle is predictable, your cortisol normalizes. Your adrenal thyroid axis can actually reset. And even like 15 to 30 minutes of consistency, getting up at the same time, going to bed at the same time, it makes a huge difference. So start putting things like this into practice. Number 3, add a calming ritual. And this could be, deep breathing. It could be journaling. It can be just sipping on some herbal tea. These practices just shift your nervous system from that fight or flight state. They get you into a rest and digest mode where your body, it's actually in a healing state where your body can actually repair. I often recommend just like magnesium glycinate or these chamomile blends of teas for my patients. So maybe try some of those out. But just a little bit of relaxing routine, right? And last, I would say cut the kitchen by 8 p.m. Eating too late keeps blood sugar and insulin elevated, and that's going to spike. It's going to cause spikes in cortisol. It's going to disrupt your sleep. It interferes with your thyroid hormone conversion overnight, and you want to give yourself time for digestion to occur before you go to bed. So you want all your digestion finished before you're going to bed. So if you want to repair your thyroid, don't just think about labs and supplements and those kind of factors. Think about your evening. Think about what you're doing, what kind of energy are you putting into your evening, and what is that creating? Try this. Just choose one of the things that I gave you today in this list and add it to your evening routine just for the next 5 nights. And then come back and tell me what changes you noticed. And it's just a way I think that you can start shifting things. Let's support your thyroid while you're sleeping, because that rest time is true medicine. All right. And if this is helpful, drop a little heart emoji in the comments, and just make sure that you're sharing this group with those people that are struggling with thyroid issues. Maybe they're struggling with sleep and healing. Let's get them into the group, and they can be learning on this journey as well. All right. See you tomorrow for another Daily Health Solution.